3 loves and fabulous. Done. That's me. Hi.
I'm Amy Studebaker, interior designer, entrepreneur, and expert dreamer. Everything I've achieved has been the product of high speed, let's go, and big vision.
You're very brave.
I'm on a mission to take the dreams you have for your home and turn them into reality.
I like it so much!
I'll be showing up when you least expect it. When it comes to your dream room, all I need is a day.
Oh my gosh!
This is Dream Room in a Day. Last time I was here, it was all about Kara. I stopped by to surprise her, and when I arrived, I found that her bedroom looked more like a grown-up dorm room, complete with mismatched furniture, definitely leaving something to be desired.
Oh boy.
A new coat of paint, new linens, and a little rearranging really helped. But it was the beadboard from Miraflex that took her room from so-so to so stunning. Now I'm heading back to the Drabbs for another round, ready to make some more dreams come true. Today I'm back at the Drabbs because I know there's a room that Nick needs a little help with.
I'm Nick. I'm born and raised in St. Louis. I've lived here my whole life. Couldn't think of living anywhere else. I have an amazing wife named Kara and 2 beautiful daughters named Evelyn and Rosalie.
I'm Evelyn and I'm 7 years old. And I'm Rosie and I'm 4-year-old.
And they are everything to me.
Their kids are so cute. Reminds me of my little guy.
When I saw Amy, I was shocked. I was excited to see her here, but at the same time I was wondering what she was doing here and a little skeptical to see that she could give us a dream room in one day. Amy did such a great job with our bedroom, but now it's my turn, and I'm ready to see what she can do with our dining room, a room that's very important to me. I'm ready to get started.
I can't wait to get to work. So Nick, tell me a little bit about your space.
It's a dining room, you know, a table, chairs, and a light. That's about it.
All right, is there anything I should be warned about before entering this space?
No, nothing in there that will surprise you.
Are you sure?
Pretty sure. Well, let's go find out.
All right, let's go. All right, let's see. Okay. Oh, you have children's artwork?
Yep, my 2 little girls.
Okay, in the dining room. You know, I really like this wainscoting that you have in here.
Thank you very much.
It looks nice. Tell me a little bit about your space here.
So this is our dining room, and we like to sit in here as a family quite regularly. We try to make it a point to sit around our table and have dinner together as a family every night. We also use this room for a game room when we have friends and family over.
Tell me a little bit about this table.
This table is actually a product of my own design and build.
You built this?
I did. I designed and built it myself. I made this table about 3 years ago. It's made of Douglas fir, basic pine wood, and weighs a couple 100 pounds. It took about 3 weeks or so to build. I wanted to make this table because I wanted something that was custom designed for me and my family.
I love the sheen level and the pattern that you created.
Sometimes I like to get into woodworking. I enjoy building furniture, and I've built entertainment centers, coffee tables, fences.
That table was amazing. I'm thinking about bringing him on for other clients. I mean, it's kind of like very Paul Bunyan. I wish all my clients were that crafty, but then I'd be out of business. I think that this will be a really good focal point for the room.
We love the table right now, but it feels so boxed in. I built this table to try and make it feel more welcoming in this room, but it feels like every corner is designed differently and doesn't have a cohesive feel to it.
I'm kind of getting like a Paul Bunyan energy from you.
Okay, I like that.
It's kind of just this like great energy that I feel could lean towards a very particular style that I'm thinking, but you tell me, what is your style?
I like the style of like a farmhouse rustic, but I like where you're leading with the Paul Bunyan feeling, so let's see where that goes.
We're gonna marry that with the farmhouse and we're gonna see what happens.
All right. I'm not sure that I can see it happening, but we'll see.
I have this great product in mind. It's called Miraflex. It comes in a wonderful pattern, textures. I think it's gonna add the right level of distress to really pick up on your farmhouse rustic style.
I think you're off to a good start with the table and wainscoting, but I really want to help you achieve the look you're going for. We definitely need to lighten things up and bring in some more warmth to the room. We want your table to stand out, but also blend with the space. And I think I know what we need to do to make it happen.
I think that this room has really great bones, especially with some of these neat architectural details. I'm excited to see where we can take this.
I believe Amy will be able to deliver something to us that our entire family is going to love and enjoy.
Thank you. All right, I am ready to help.
Oh, no thank you. We all have our talents.
Oh.
Nick has been so busy woodworking that he hasn't given his space the time it deserves. Luckily, I'm here to show him the big picture and give him a room that the whole family can enjoy. Often, when designing a room, people tend to forget about their ceilings, which can have a huge impact on the overall aesthetic. I'm a big fan of painting ceilings, but for this project, I wanted to add some texture as well, and ATI Decorative Laminates does that better than anyone I know. They offer a variety of products that are easily applied to any surface, and they pack a big punch. For this room in particular, I'm utilizing their Miraflex line. The products are very DIY friendly, but to make sure we meet our deadline, I'm bringing in my crew for a little extra help. Their Miraflex ceiling tiles are going to be perfect for this room. I love adding dimension to ceilings. Bringing in a textured tile creates architectural interest, which helps in elevating the look and feel of a room. So many homes lack architectural details, and details are so important if you want a home full of character and warmth.
I'm really excited about this Miraflex product. You know, so many people forget about the ceiling when they're designing spaces, and this Miraflex is really gonna bring that farmhouse style that they're wanting to the ceiling and the space.
When I saw the Savannah pattern, I immediately knew that was the one for this room. The ceiling tile with its layered and chipped looking paint lends itself to a wonderful rustic farmhouse feel. A handmade wood stained and carved table at the center of the room adds an element of warmth to the space. When layering rustic elements of weathered paint and wood tones, that's when the farmhouse feel begins to evolve.
The simple bead and button seaming of this product makes it very easy for any DIY install. But not only that, you do not have to have a grid system for this product. You simply get an adhesive at any hardware store, apply it to the back of the product, and simply attach it to the ceiling. I think it's gonna be fabulous once it's all finished. All right, now let's get out of here. We gotta let them finish working. The Miraflex is gonna be fantastic for this space. It's really gonna mix that Paul Bunyan energy with the farmhouse style. It's gonna be fabulous. You had an axe, didn't you? Like chopping wood? I think so.
I love a good wainscot, but for the walls, I'm thinking the color they have in there is a little bland. So I decided to go with something a tad brighter to liven things up for all the game nights they'll be hosting in the near future. New chairs, a new serving piece, and fabulous artwork are the cherry on top for this totally transformed space. He's gonna love it. I can't wait.
I know that she'll be able to deliver something amazing for us.
This is gonna be a dream room in a day.
I think the kids are really gonna enjoy the dining room since they already use it for a game room. I'm thinking play dates over there. It'll be really good.
Mine's gonna be so much better.
So this morning you had a beautiful dining table in a room that maybe needed a little help.
Yeah, a little bit, for sure.
The table and wainscoting were a good start, but nothing else in the room felt particularly farmhouse. So I started with the ceiling, a design element that most people neglect, and everything came together from there.
Serving piece placed in a better space, and then maybe some window treatments that felt a little bit more in the direction. We kind of needed to take you to that farmhouse step that you were wanting to go.
Yeah, I was looking for that more Paul Bunyan feeling that you were telling me about.
Yes, and I think we nailed it. So why don't we go see what I can do in a day?
Let's go take a look.
All right.
Oh my gosh. This is amazing. From making the table the focal point again, which is so important to me and my family, to the incredible ceiling that just ties it all together. I can't thank you enough.
Oh, I'm so glad that you guys are happy. I mean, we had such a great starting point with this wonderful table that you had designed and built, a lot of that Paul Bunyan energy we were talking about, and then really the Miraflex. I mean, we couldn't have done this without the Miraflex and the great pattern and design that they offered that again gave us that nice farmhouse feel that you were looking for. Oh, gosh, I love it. Wow. This has a completely different feel to it now. I love it so much. Look at those ceilings. This stands out in this whole room. Like, it's the star. I love it. Thank you.
We didn't know how she was gonna get this done in such a short amount of time, but she proved to us again that she's amazing and the design is awesome, and I can't wait to sit in that room. I cannot wait to sit at that table and have dinner with my family and play games and make memories.
Thank you guys so much for opening up your home and allowing me to come in to create this space for you in a day. I just love being able to do this, and so it's made my day.
What do you think of the dining room?
I love it. I like the ceiling. And you did a great job. Thank you, Amy. You did it again.
Yay! Thank you, Amy.
Thank you.
Say yay!
Yay!
I had such a great day working with Nick and his family. So many people forget to design their ceilings, and it's such an important part of the overall aesthetic of a room. With the Miraflex, we were able to enhance and make that space beautiful. I loved working with the Drabb family. It was such a good day, and I cannot wait for the next dream room in a day.
Bye!
Bye!